Hello. I bet that you always hear about ABS and how it is so important in saving lives. And you may also see this light in your dashboard, so. What is ABS? ABS stands for Anti-Lock Braking System. And I think if we pay attention to this name we could imagine what this system actually do. As it prevents the tires from locking while braking. So what is locking and why we need to prevent it? Locking happens when the car will stop rotating while the car is still moving forward, producing this noise. So, when the locking happens, it is difficult to control the car direction as you lose control from the steering wheel leading to an accident. So, we need to do both actions, braking and controlling the car direction. And here comes the role of ABS. But how it's done? ABS control unit uses wheel speed sensors to get the actual wheel speed. And when the locking happens the wheel speed is lower than the vehicle speed, so the ABS control unit starts doing his job by sending this to the ABS actuator motor, which starts to engage and disengage brakes quickly to prevent the locking and also maintain braking to happen, so you are able to brake and evade obstacles easily. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to click the like and subscribe buttons and feel free to leave a comment to tell me what else you want in the next video. Hope you enjoy and learn.